Huh?
She doesn't get it.
She got it?
She's trying to.
Shmoo. She's like, mine.
Good boy, Smoothie. Get your bird. Get that birdie. Is that your birdie? Is that your bird? Get the bird. Smooth, get your bird. Get the bird. Get that bird.
You literally eat the whole thing.
Yeah.
He's gonna go under the balcony with it.
Probably.
He's through it.
Yeah. There's a squirrel up there.
What if he brings that down a squirrel?
I'd laugh.
Or she?
I'd cut her tail off and keep the tail. That was pretty much the easiest way for him to die. Here's Mama.
You didn't get anything?
She's like, no.
Shit out of luck.
Another reason I give him the birds is by doing this, he'll become a birder.
Really?
By tasting the blood of the bird, they'll instinctively start hunting them. That's why you don't see dogs like turkey and shit like that. Especially when you're out in the woods, the kids will start chasing you. Your bird? Get your bird. Yeah, your bird. Don't have to bark, just your bird. Right here. Right here. Look at the bird. Bird. I'll play fetch with the bird.
It's cute.
I'll bring it all the way back. Bring it here. Bring it here. I'll throw it for you again. Come on. Bring it here.
It's a really smart cat.
No, get the bird. Get the bird? Ow, motherfucker. My bird. My bird. He's like, please, bitch. He's like, I ain't fucking around, motherfucker, my bird. Fuck off my bird.
Jason! It's so sad. You're a demented little kitty, Schmoobity. Yeah, he's back. He doesn't like it under the porch. I can guess you had a really weird childhood.
Me?
Yes. If you're playing with a dead bird with a cat. Wow, he just wants to play with it. He doesn't want to eat it.
Oh, he's just, what he's doing is pulling off the feathers.
Where? I'm going to get one of the feathers. Where? Oh, they're small.
Feather?
Get the bird.
Scooby, get your bird. He's going to fly away. Where's your birdie, dude? Huh? Where's your birdie?
I think he's done with it. Give the rest of it to Peanut.
Bird?
The bird, bird, bird. Birdie is the word. Oh, there's a big enough feather. I'm gonna go give it to Corey.
Hey.
Like, don't take my feather, bitch. I'm sorry, baby.
Mm-hmm. 嗯。
put it up here.
Give me the bird. Give me the bird. Yeah. Give me the bird.
Put it over here.
Movie. Next bird here. Come on, bring it here. Bring it back.
Does he actually eat it though?
Yeah.
Wait. Should we bring Peanut up too?
Want me to toss the bird for you? Let me know I can do it. What? You want me to toss it? Come here. Come here. Come on, Dad. Watch out.
Yep. I think it's munching time. Nope, no it's not. Still playing.
He's like, up, Dad. Throw the bird. Throw the bird. Give me the bird. Give me the bird. Give me the bird. Got the bird. Hey, hey. Aurea. Ruby, sit. 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 Hey, sit one. Bird, sit. 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 But now.
Do you mind if I put this on YouTube?
Huh?
Do you mind if I put this on YouTube?
Hey, you want the bird? Drop it. Drop it. Give me the bird. Drop it.
You stepped on it, Schmoobity. He's killing it.
You don't have the bird. What do we do? Are you happy because you got a toy? What do you say, Timmy? What do you do? What are you doing? Say thank you. What are you doing?
Schmoobity. Schmoobity.
He's like, Dad, don't give me the bird.
Think he's gonna eat it now?
Oh, he's still playing with it.
You should cut off the wing and keep it.
It's over there.
You should cut off the wing and keep it or something.
It's right there. It's right there. Birdie. Birdie. You got him.
Just let him jump up and catch it. Can you keep anything off of a bird?
Yeah.
Like what?
Everything.
Keep the foot.
Yeah.
Or the leg.
Uh-huh.
Use it as pipe saver. No.
You can use it as a pipe.